Check out this TradeTools exclusive 18V 5.2 amp hour cordless 2-piece combo kit from Metabo. Featuring Metabo's 130Nm LTX class hammer drill, 125mm variable speed angle grinder, as well as two 18V 5.2 amp hour batteries and a charger, you get a handy combo for a handy price. Metabo's 18V brushless LTX class hammer drill boasts up to 130Nm of torque, with an impact rate of up to 38,000 BPM in hammer drill mode for masonry work. The powerful brushless motor delivers maximum power to handle all applications no matter how demanding. There's a selectable impulse mode for removal of stubborn screws and spot drilling, and a precision stop electric torque control for more delicate work. The drill features an electronic safety shutdown that'll reduce kickback if the drill bit stops suddenly, and an integrated LED work light so you can maintain visibility no matter the working condition, as well as a handy belt hook. Then you have the Metabo 18V 125mm variable speed angle grinder. With huge cordless power and a variable speed setting thumb wheel, you get power and versatility on the job. You get every feature you need, including a heavy-duty guard, inner support flange, M-Quick flange nut, side handle, and dust protection feature. The variable speed thumb wheel works seamlessly and saves you so much time on the job. The unit makes everything convenient, with tool-free adjustments for your guard and how the battery pack can be rotated 90 degrees for the best ergonomics in any working position. To wrap it all up, you get two Metabo 18V 5.2 amp hour batteries and a charger, so you can get all-day use. This Metabo 2-piece combo kit is an exclusive to TradeTools, so make sure you drop on by to your nearest TradeTools store to grab one for yourself.